Okay, now we have a Seiko faucet that is leaking, and what we're going to do is we're going to fix the cold water stem. We're going to put a packing in the stem, and so the first thing we do is we go under the sink and turn the lid of the valves, the cold water off. And now what we do is we unscrew a screw in the knob, and then we pry the knob handle off by using a little lever for the screwdrivers with the screwdriver. Now the tools I'm using are a wrench, regular screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay. Now we gotta loosen the stem, knob stem holder, like that. Loosen it up. Okay, take it out, and here's the packing, and it's distraught and bent out of shape. We can check the seat, and the seat it's pretty smooth. It's not pitted. So now you see the packing, and there's a screw holding the packing. Unscrew the screw. Take the packing out. I got a packing here, a new packing. See the new packing right there? That's how I put it on top here. Put the screw in. Screw the screw. Don't tighten it too tight. Okay, now the seat doesn't seem to be pitted. So we take this and we screw it in. But first I want to turn it a little. See the O-rings here? What we might have to do is replace an O-ring. Okay, what I did is I took the O-ring off of this. See, there's the O-ring. and I put a new O-ring, see there's the O-ring, onto the stem. And with this tube I can easily put it on see there's the O-ring. It's on the stem. Now I put the sleeve on, this sleeve, put this on here. Then with the handle, crank it on. So we got the sleeve and the stem. And now I can install it into its socket. Take the wrench and tighten it. Little crank. And now I can put the handle on. Let's see. Let's see if it trips or anything. Turn the faucet on. There, now we have running water. It's not dripping, as you can see. The O-rings are working so the water doesn't come up there. And now we put in the screw. The screw holds the handle to this, down to the stem. There. Now we put the cap on. And then we do the same to the hot water, because that might be a little worn too.